Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Chris.
Very good, Chris. Tell me, how old are you?
I'm 6.
6. Very nice. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Give me that 5. Good job. We start with ABC. Chris, tell me, please. What letter is this?
D.
D. Letter D. What sound has it got?
D.
Very nice. Tell me, please. What letter is this?
J.
J. And the sound?
J.
J. Wonderful. What letter is this?
W.
W. Sound?
W.
Good job. Alright, let's move to the words. Tell me please, what is it?
Apple.
Apple. Very nice. What letter?
A.
Letter A for apple. Good. What is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. Letter?
E.
E. That is?
Hat.
Hat. Very good. What letter?
H.
H. Very nice. Tell me please, what's that?
Cat.
Cat. What letter does it start with?
C.
C. Good. What this?
Ball.
And the letter?
B.
B. Very nice. What's that?
Robot.
Robot. What letter does it start in?
Orange.
Letter R. Very good. Tell me please, what color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. What's the letter? Yellow. What's the letter?
Y.
Y. Very good. What is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Letter for tiger is?
C.
Letter T. Good. That is
Octopus.
Octopus. Letter
O.
Very good. Chris, tell me, what is it? This.
Sun.
Sun. How do you spell sun?
S-U-N.
Fantastic. What is it?
Monkey.
Monkey. How do you spell monkey?
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
That's great. What about this?
Fox.
Fox. How do you spell fox?
F-O-X.
F-O-X. That's very good. Now we're going to write, but let's read it first. What is this?
Igloo.
What is this?
Zoo.
And this one?
Lion.
Lion. Write me all 3 words here. Eagle, zoo, lion. Okay, very nice. Let's read these words. Tell me please, screens. What is it?
Zoo.
This one.
Tiger. Lion.
Lion. And this is?
Igloo.
That's good job. Give me a 5. Bam. Goodbye, Chris.
Goodbye, teacher.